Tired of drowning in a sea of paper receipts, invoices, and endless manual data entry? What if an AI could handle 99.9% of your bookkeeping admin for you? Today, we're looking at Dext, an AI-powered bookkeeping and expense management tool designed to help small businesses, accountants, and bookkeepers get their hours back. Let's see if Dext is truly the ultimate automation tool for your workflow. At its core, Dext is all about removing the hassle from your daily accounting. Instead of typing out numbers or losing track of paper slips, you simply capture your receipts, invoices, or statements using the Dext mobile app, forward them via email, or upload them directly. From there, Dext's AI takes over. It extracts the key data with an impressive 99.9% accuracy, automatically categorizes the transactions, and prepares them for reconciliation. It also features built-in tools to track employee expenses and mileage, giving you a clear digital audit trail without the back-and-forth email chains. One of Dext's biggest strengths is how well it plays with others. It features over 30 accounting software integrations, including industry giants like Xero, QuickBooks, and Sage, and connects with over 11,500 banks and financial institutions. This means it can sit right at the center of your existing workflow without forcing you to change how you already run your business. Now, let's talk about the reviews and reputation. On paper, Dext's track record is incredibly strong. They boast multiple high ratings on their site, including 4.8 out of 5 stars across thousands of user ratings, and they took home the Xero Small Business App of the Year award in both the US and the UK for 2024. While our specific research today didn't include a deep dive into individual written user complaints or specific cons, these highly decorated ratings suggest a very reliable experience for most businesses. So what's the final verdict? If you want to eliminate manual data entry, reduce human error, and keep your books perfectly updated without touching a spreadsheet, Dext is absolutely worth a look. Because every business workflow is a little different, the best way to see if it fits your style is to test it yourself. Dext offers a 14-day free trial with no credit card required, so you can test drive their AI extraction completely risk-free. What do you think? Is AI bookkeeping the future of your business? Let me know in the comments below. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more honest tool reviews. See you in the next video.